What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys have seen the last video, we got the engine for the coupe all assembled, and it's pretty much ready to get dropped into the car. But before we do, I have to put all the starter, alternator, harness, throttle body stuff, everything on the engine before we throw it in the car, so I don't have to, you know, fight to maneuver everything around. But for the most part, head stud, head gasket, water pump, timing belt, tensioner, clutch, flywheel, throttle bearing, everything has been swapped out, brand spanking new, so we are ready to make some boost. I did the live stream yesterday for the Built to Drive / I Feel It giveaway key tags, and 2 out of the 3 people already claimed the prize, so I went to the P.O. box, shipped that out just a minute ago, and we also got a package in the P.O. box. So before I get started on the CRX, I'm going to open this package with you guys. This package came from Frank, also known as CL Motorsports 1 on Instagram. Shoot my guy a follow. I've been following Franklin since, goddamn, the Honda Tech days, bro. Now, a lot of you guys may not know this, but Franklin was probably the first or one of the first few to do a K24 all-wheel drive swap in his wagon many years ago, and had the K24 under his hood. I put a little picture right here. I don't know what happened to the car. It was a badass build. It was around for a little bit, and then it just disappeared. I'm sure there's a reason why he no longer has that car, but he was the one that gave me a ton of information I need to know when I was building my brother's all-wheel drive supercharged K-Wagon. So I appreciate you, Franklin, for all the help you've given me when I asked you questions about K all-wheel driving my brother's wagon. And most importantly, thank you for this package. Whatever is in there, that is 20 pounds. Moment of truth, guys. Oh, crap. Oh, shredder. Shredder. All right. What is this? Oh, we got 2 decals from CLMOTORSPORTS.net. If you guys don't follow my guy, he parts out a lot of cars, he sells a lot of cars. Follow his group on Facebook. Definitely check out his website and follow his Instagram. And here we have a note. Focus. Hey Dana, hope these parts come in useful to you. I have had them sitting with no project to use them on. Keep up the hard work. I wish I had the teen skills to build a YouTube channel like yours, but I am just better at hands-on work as, I don't know how to us computer stuff. Sorry, I'm illiterate. Keep it up. Man, now I'm kind of excited what's in here. I appreciate it, Franklin, man. We've been in contact for so many years, bro. And, you know, good old Honda Tech days. I knew I heard something in the package when I, you know, threw it in the car. And here, guys, we have some cat food. Where Meow Meow at? He just ran. Where'd he go? I know you're here. But where my Meow Meow at? Hey. Hey, buddy. Yo. Check it out. Adult food just for you, brother. Hey, you see that? I had a cat named Tiger many years ago. I've had him for a long time, and one day he disappeared. Bruh, thank you very much. What else we have in here? What is this? What? No way. What? No freaking way, yo. This right here is, I believe, an F38. Not F38. It's a 38mm V-band. Yo, are you McSerious? What? Wow. This is crazy. And this is just the first box, because I see some other things in it too. Franklin, you are unreal, man. I appreciate your support, bro. I can't stress it enough, man. Thank you guys. Thank you, Franklin, for stuff like this to help me continue doing what I love to do and sharing my hobby, my passion with you guys. But holy shit, this thing was probably gonna take, this is gonna take the cake right here. This, a wastegate? Holy shit. Oh my god, I only saw these 2, but holy sh... I'm sorry, guys. Oh, shit. Okay. Before I grab this one, I'm going to show you guys all the other stuff that I'm seeing in this package. We got a ton more decals right here, right, in different colors. That's freaking awesome. We have a a GSR freaking head gasket, yo. I just threw one on this yesterday. Yeah, what? Well, in case we blow you up, bitch, we have a new head gasket for you. All right. What is this? No. 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 You're serious? Oh my God. Yo, this is probably gonna, oh my goodness. Did I just pull that shit out of the bag right now? There's no way. Lucy. Yo. What? What? Yo. Wiseco's. Yo. We got some, what is this? I can't see it outside. Eagle rods. Wiseco's and Eagle. Oh, I'm so fucking stuck on my words right now. I cannot believe what I just pulled out of this freaking box. Oh my God. Oh my freaking good. Oh my God. Oh, dude. This is probably going to be its own video, guys. I'm telling you guys right now. Holy fuck. I don't swear on YouTube as much, but holy fuck. This is probably the ultimate package I've ever gotten from anybody. Oh, there's more in here. Oh, that is another bag of some sort. Oh, there's another one right here. What is this? Sorry if you guys find my laugh kind of funny, but holy shit, yo! We got a racing speed shop shift knob. What else we got in here? I'm in for a surprise. What is this? Another one? Another one? Oh, as you guys can already see, we have Hot Wheels, and I don't normally go out and collect these, but all the ones that I have on the wall in my room was sent from you guys, and I truly appreciate it. Oh snap, we have a CRX. Oh my God, you guys, Franklin, you, oh my God, I just gripped a whole bunch right here. Somebody come look at this. Holy snaps. Let me lay all this out for you guys. Oh my God. Look at this. Lucy, come here. Come here. Check it out. Type R, Honda City, 2 of them, 2 hatches, 2 Integras, another hatch. What is this? S2000? That's really clean. And CRX, the Supra from Fast and Furious, and we have, what is this? A Nissan Skyline. Oh my God. You guys asked me in the live stream, what is my dream car? It would probably be like an R32, but like the R31, R30, it's probably something I would love to have. Wait, there's more. We have another bag right here. What is this? No. No. We got JE piston rings. Was it some turbo return seals? We have valve seals, brand new valve seals, rear main seal, cam seals. Oh my God, that is the end of this unboxing. I'm gonna lay this out on the hood real quick, show you guys an overlook of everything. All right guys, an overlook of everything that came in that package. I just spoke to Franklin, CL Motorsports. Yo, it's crazy. He was saying that he was hoarding this for a lot of years and that he was going to build an engine to utilize all the stuff, but it never happened. And he figured, since it was sitting on the shelf, he was going to send it to somebody who can put it to use, and he sent it to me. I know you watched the videos, brother. Thank you again, once again, for all of this stuff. Franklin also confirmed that these are for GSR, and the bearings as well. Right here we have the main, we have the rods, we have piston rings. I'm probably going to order new piston rings because I'm not sure if Y-scos are interchangeable with JE. But we got the full reseal kit, valve seals and all that jazz. We got a brand new head gasket as well too, guys, right here. And if you don't know, I have another GSR motor right there. But all of the extra stuff, the Hot Wheels, the shift knob, the wastegate, I can't thank you enough for that. It means the world to me that you guys are willing to give me your stuff for me to continue doing what I love to do. I try to use everything you guys send to me, so definitely I'm gonna put all of this to work, because my cousin's car, if you guys haven't seen a long time ago on the channel, my cousin has a 97 Civic 4-door with a full Mugen kit Type R engine, right-hand drive swapped, and he wants to go turbo this year. And because we know that the pistons are now GSR that did do the digital caliber, it's about 81 point something. We may possibly have another bottom end built for his car so we can make some jam with it. And again, use everything that was provided here in this package. At first I thought it was ceiling cam, because Vitaras and stuff for ceiling cam are normally dished all crazy like this, right? Super dished out. Right there, see how it's dished out? I thought they were for ceiling cams, but they aren't. And if they were ceiling cam, maybe we'll find another chassis later down this road and do a ceiling cam build. I know a lot of you guys were asking me to do ceiling cam build for this car, but this car is just pretty much utilizing everything that I have sitting in the garage already, so that's why we're doing B series. I know a lot of people made assumptions that this car was going to be all-wheel drive, but it's just going to be front-wheel drive because I don't have another transmission. But Chewy's coming over here right now. I got an email for a car that just came in 70 miles away, and Chewy's willing to go out there for me to pick up this part if it's still there, an all-wheel drive transmission. And if Chewy scores a transmission for me, we're going all-wheel drive. And also, if you guys saw the last video, I went to the junkyard to try to score me a K20 transmission, and if I did, I would have scored the K24 engine as well too. And then I would have went K24 in this car, but the transmission was gone before I got to it, and I didn't bother touching any of the K24s that were there. I'm gonna stop with throwing ideas at you guys, because then you guys are gonna get super excited. I'm just letting you guys know the coupe is gonna be B series turbo, front wheel drive only as of right now. Things may change as we go, but right now we're sticking to the game plan. I'm not going to touch the CRX in this video, but I am going to touch the CRX today. So that's going to be it for this video. Big shout out to CL Motorsports. Definitely check out his website, his Facebook group, and follow him on Instagram. This may be the craziest package I've ever gotten at my P.O. box. Just in time for the outro of this video, my cousin just came through with the shipment of the Built to Drive key tags. Check it out. Look at that. So by the time you guys see this video, these key tags should be available on the website. And if you guys haven't seen the new shirts yet, we also got some new shirts he brought for me. So this is the new design. Oh man, it's too bloody for me. So this is the new tee. It is Built to Drive, kind of like a slap style, and then on the back side it has the Built to Drive logo. Why build it if you can't drive it? And it looks really big on him because he's actually he's a small. Medium. Small.
That motherfucker right there is a medium.
He's a medium. And for those that are wondering, we do offer sizes in what? Small?
We go from small to 2X that we carry in stock, and then 3X and above we are taking special orders. Those are order based off of when they come in.
So we offer pretty much in all sizes for the most part. Anybody else is looking for bigger than 3XL, definitely email us first. But just want to let you guys know we got tees ready to rock and roll, and we have a lot of the key tags available as well too. So check out the built2drive.bigcartel in the description below and pick you guys up some merchandises. And I know a lot of you guys have already did, but key tags are now available.
Also, if you guys didn't know, every order is made made by order. All the shirts, all the sweaters, all the long sleeve, those are made on order.
If you guys are just as happy as I am unboxing this package today, hit the like button. And if you guys want to see the turbo build of the CRX, hit the subscribe button because we are starting on that today. So stay posted for that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.